Hi everyone, I'm Nancy Regan, and in this video I'm going to share one of the biggest reasons why reliability-centered maintenance analyses fail. I'm in Chichen Itza in the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, and I'm standing in front of what is the nickname is called the ball game. And in ancient Mayan times, this is where new rulers were coronated, and they did a lot of other things here. And this reminds me about reliability-centered maintenance, because when I was preparing to make this video, I was asking our guide a lot of details, and I started to feel overwhelmed. And of course he was sharing everything he knew, but he has studied this stuff for years. So I can't possibly learn it all and understand it all in 10 minutes and share it with you. And that's what reminds me about one of the biggest reasons why RCM analyses fail. It is because too often organizations think maybe a couple of people can just read a book or take a quick introductory course and then implement the process on their own. Reliability-centered maintenance is common sense applied to physical assets, as it was once told to me, but it is also a piece of technology, and when you don't understand it, it is almost impossible to carry it out well. So sometimes an RCM analysis may be carried out in not enough detail or way too much detail, where you end up going down a big rabbit hole and you waste time. So really, if you're going to implement the process, it's very important that you do it with someone who understands what RCM is and how to properly implement it. I'm Nancy Regan. Thank you for watching.